Alright, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net, and here we are trading on Friday, June 27th, 2025. Got a late start today, had some things to do in the morning, meetings and etc. with programmers. So here is our first trade going into 11:30 in crude oil, and took a nice short here. Two contracts, down we go. First profit targets hit, and then the next one. And then same thing here, short, and we get 393 profit for a good trade. So we took our profits on that one, and then we reset the strategy here as it was pretty much looking to rebound here, and that's exactly what happened. And we already had $300 and some odd profit, going for a 640 profit. So if this would have triggered, we would have only got 300. So we reset it. Strategy is, new profit amount. Two contracts, up it goes. Profit target, profit target. Do the math, you can figure out the profit targets. And basically it's first profit target and runner, and we'll take the 440. And then that was it for our CL trades, and then we did the rest NQ and ES in the afternoon here. So let's take a look at those. And then we come back to the market after 2 o'clock here and started the bot. And this trade made a couple trades. Really traded two contracts here, 640 goal, and it got half of that. A nice short here. Not sure if some news came out, but we'll take our 312 as it all adds up. Like I said, on a day we did 3,400, 8 trades, I think. Yep, eight trades. So good afternoon trading on a Friday in the summertime. Usually it's pretty slow, but I think there was some news on the Canadian tariffs, so that livened the market up a little. And the market was getting weaker here on the Canadian tariff news, and down we go. One short, profit targets hit. Second short, we hit our goal on two contracts, 633. Then here after 3 o'clock, we get into this trade here in the NQ, and it decides to break out, and we get 292 profit for a good trade. And here is a trade that we did with the Trading123 order flow strategy, trading the ES on two contracts, $500 goal. And right here after 2 o'clock, the market sells off, and down we go, and profit target is hit. And it took two trades to do that. First one, short, targets hit. Second one, plunge team shows up, and down we go. And then two trades here into the close here. This is just right around 330 here, and we catch a short, two contracts down, targets hit, stop loss. Then it reverses, up we go. 318 profit, and we take it because we're halfway to our goal, although I did raise the goal to 840. But I had an idea that the market was going to rally back up, and that's exactly what it did after the sell-off on the tariff news from Canada. So we restart the bot here, and as you see, the market is starting to trend up after the sell-off. And so the trend is up, so it took this long, profit target hit, and then stop loss. And then same thing here, profit target hit, another long, stop, and then one more. Completes a three-wave move. We get our 505, and puts us up 3,400 for the day, and we're into the last 10 minutes of trading, where it gets very volatile, even with a AlgoBot and a lot of whip-ass action. So not advised to trade it, because you can give that 500 back pretty quick in the last 10 minutes. So you newbies out there, don't trade the last 10 minutes. I remember talking to a trader a while ago, and he's like, oh yeah, I love the last 10 minutes, lots of action. And I'm like, how long you been trading? A couple of weeks? He's like, oh yeah, about 2 months. I'm like, well, it's not the greatest time to trade. So that's what trading's all about, knowing when to trade, not to trade. Just like this setup here going into the last 25 minutes or so. That's the perfect time to trade. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and we'll catch you in the next video. Hit that like and subscribe. Have a good weekend, and we'll be back next week.